Welcome to the TDM Linux installation via HTTP video. In this video, we'll talk you through installing TDM step by step. The process has 4 main steps. 1. Create database schemas and tables. 2. Install TDM Web. 3. Install SDG. 4. Final checks. Before you start, install the SDM repository via the SDM Web Console. Stop SDM if it's currently running. Step 1. Create database schemas and tables. Open the TDM-DB scripts TDM initial installation directory. Open the TDM_DB_script_v24.4.SQL file with Notepad. Copy the content. Connect to the database and run the SQL script to create TDM schemas. Refresh the schemas section to confirm the TDM schemas have been created. Step 2. Install TDM Web. Go to the TDM installation folder and find tdminstaller.jar and tdminstaller.sh. Copy these files and paste to the obt/bin directory. In the obt/bin folder, run tdminstaller.sh. When the welcome window appears, verify the TDM version, then press 1. In the user data window, enter the PostgreSQL database connection details correctly. Enter the SDM admin username and password. Then press 1 to continue. In the Perform External Processes window, press 1 once processing is complete. When the process is complete, installation finished appears. Step 3. SDG installation. Go to given folder path and copy SQL.properties. Go to opthumb/extensions and paste SQL.properties. Go to the SDG_installation folder and run the sdginstaller.sh file. When prompted, press N for a non-distributed installation of the SDG engine. Press Enter to use the default path, or specify your preferred path. Press N to disable SSL protocol. Press N to disable the TLS 1.3 protocol. Press Y to select a self-signed certificate for the environment. Enter the host IP of the machine where SDM is installed. Enter the port number where the SDM web console is running. Enter the server name of the current machine, either the IP address or DNS name, and press Y to confirm. The SDG engine installation will start. Once completed, Docker Desktop will prompt you to grant file sharing permissions. Click Yes for all prompts. Step 4. Final checks. Open the command prompt to verify the TDM installation. Access TDM through the browser to confirm the setup is working properly. The installation should now be complete and functioning smoothly. For more detailed information on each step, please refer to the TDM installation guide. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using TDM.